Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Target RedCard. Easy login and setup guide step by step clearly. First, get your Target RedCard. Your social security number, last 4 digits, may be needed, and your billing zip code ready. Next, make sure you have a stable internet connection on your phone or computer. Open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, go to Target.com and press Enter. On the top right, click Sign In. If you already have a Target account, enter your email and password, then click Sign In. If you do not have an account, click Create Account and enter your name, email, and a strong password. Check your email for a verification message from Target if you are asked to verify your account. Return to Target.com and sign in again after verification is complete. Once you are signed in, move your cursor to Account or tap the account icon. Select RedCard from the account menu. On the RedCard page, choose Add your RedCard or link your RedCard. Carefully enter the RedCard number found on your card. Enter the requested personal details, such as your name and billing zip code, exactly as they appear on your account. If the page asks for identity verification, enter the required SSN digits and follow the on-screen prompts. Review the information you entered to make sure there are no typos. Click Continue or Submit to link the card to your Target account. Wait for the confirmation message that your RedCard is now connected. If you are activating a new card, select Activate Card when you see the option. Enter the activation details requested, such as the card number and security code if prompted. Create or confirm your RedCard PIN if the system asks you to set one. Write down your PIN and store it in a safe place, not on the card. Go to RedCard settings and confirm your mailing address and phone number are correct. Turn on paperless statements if you want to receive your statements digitally. Set up autopay if available. Then choose a payment account and the payment date you prefer. Check your available balance, recent activity, or account status to confirm everything looks normal. If you get an error, double-check your card number and zip code, then try again slowly. If you still cannot activate, contact Target RedCard support using the Help or Contact Us link on the same page. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.